Psalms 34. I will bless Yahuwah at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth. My soul shall make her boast in Yahuwah. The humble shall hear thereof and be glad. Oh, magnify Yahuwah with me, and let us exalt his name together. I sought Yahuwah, and he heard me, and delivered me from all my fears. They looked unto him, and were lighted, and their faces were not ashamed. This poor man cried, and Yahuwah heard him and saved him out of all of his troubles. The angel of Yahuwah encampeth around them that fear him and delivereth them. O taste and see that Yahuwah is good. Blessed is the man that trusteth in him. O fear Yahuwah, ye his saints, for there is no want to them that fear him. The young lions do lack and suffer hunger, but they that seek Yahuwah shall not want any good thing. Come, ye children, hearken unto me. I will teach you the fear of Yahuwah. What man is he that desireth life, and loveth many days, that he may see good? Keep thy tongue from evil, and thy lips from speaking guile. Depart from evil, and do good. Seek peace, and pursue it. The eyes of Yahuwah are upon the righteous, and his ears are open unto their cry. The face of Yahuwah is against them that do evil, to cut off the remembrance of them from the earth. The righteous cry, and Yahuwah hears, and delivereth them out of all their troubles. Yahuwah is near unto them that are of a broken heart, and saveth such as of a contrite spirit. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but Yahuwah delivereth him out of them all. He keepeth all his bones, not one of them is broken. Evil shall slay the wicked, and they that hate the righteous shall be desolate. Yahuwah redeemeth the soul of his servants, and none of them that trust in him shall be desolate.